Let's see how to connect your router to your laptop using a LAN cable. Connect the Ethernet cable to the router. Now, connect the Ethernet cable to your laptop. Let's go to the home screen. Your laptop will show the internet connection. If it doesn't appear, follow the next steps. Search Control Panel. Click Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click to change advanced settings. Your Ethernet connection is disabled. Enable it. Right-click again. Click Properties. Checkmark Internet Protocol version. Now your Ethernet connection is available.